Imagine how you'd like to be. You don't wish to give away your time for you to enjoy how to use your time. You're going to be clear enough regarding the matter of how you wish to use your time given. Do you love solitude? Usually, people do not wish to have solitude, especially those people who do not understand the profundity of solitude. To think of your lifestyle, I need to tell the attitude all the time. I'd like you to think of the following two. The one is solitude. The other is loneliness. Solitude is different from loneliness. I shall start my explanation from loneliness. Do you love loneliness? Nobody loves loneliness. You don't wish to be lonely. To avoid the state of loneliness, usually you wish to belong to some group. You'd like to make friends. Would you like to make a lot of friends, or you feel okay to have some friends? You send a mail to some people. Then you have your pleasure. Later on, you receive some mails. Is it a happy thing? To avoid to be lonely, you do some activities. Talking of the second one, solitude. Solitude is different from loneliness. Precisely speaking, solitude is the one intellectuals love. You need to be alone. You need to have your private time. Time in private is the one you need. If you love solitude, you can be strong enough to enjoy your lifestyle, to avoid loneliness. You try to do your best to be socialized. Sometimes you have some dislikes in the form of socialization. If you love solitude, you are not affected by such stereotype. You have your ideal. You have your way to enjoy your private time. A tour. Schopenhauer encouraged people. He said, love your solitude. If you love solitude, you obtain freedom. You enjoy your time. You enjoy how to spend so many things you have in you inwardly. Are you interested enough to enjoy your intellectual possessions inside yourself? If you do not have anything in you inwardly, you have a tendency to join some groups. You like to participate in activities somewhere because you cannot enjoy yourself alone. You need some people, you need some friends who do the same activities together with you. What you have as a matter of perfectness in your individuality graces the quality of your life supernaturally. The lecture shall be finished now.